Yes, past the bridge there. So it's very close to Emperor Falls. Let's do it! I'm so excited! Woohoo! Stay tuned! Yay! Nandito na kami sa White Falls, the first falls before you get to Emperor Falls. That's very nice. Woo! Oh, ito na yung White Falls. Beauty! Wow! Nice. Beauty. Very steep here, so it's a little bit steep to walk here, but there's a railings. But it's amazing beauty. Oh, the mountains. Surrounded by mountains, guys. Woo! Ito, pasok na si Lola.
Bata.
Yan.
Sana tinanong mo kung kailan sila nandito.
Okay.
Hindi ko tinanong.
Ano sabi mo? Ano da?
Quite
Nakakapagod.
impressive, but
Ah.
tiring.
Tiring. Was worth it.
Challenging.
Challenging. Anong sabi mo?
Grabe! Napakapagod na namin. Pero goods lang.
Good lah.
Yakang-yaka yan.
Yakang-yaka lang. Kayang-kaya ang
Yakang-yaka yan.
White Falls. Next is, ano yung pangalan sa? Next ito, there are 3 falls here. Oh. 3 falls before you reach the Emperor Falls. Oh, 3 falls. Yes.
Kaya ko
Yeah.
nakatawsan ng call.
Baka
Yeah.
susunod yung 1,000.
There you go. Let's go. Let's go. One more. 2 more to go to Emperor Falls. Alright. Elevated na rin, guys. Napaka-steep na yan. Oh. Grabe.
11.
Woo! We love it. This is life here. Look. Beauty. Nature. Wow. Amazing. Woo!
Diba? Dito tayo mag-camping. At saka sa ano.
Let's go, let's go.
Lake nag-decide.
Falls
Yo,
na yun, yung
no,
falls
13
na yun.
kilometers na.
Susunod na.
Woo, we made it to
Iyak na ako,
13 kilometers.
Nag-decide na tayo dun sa Kinilig.
How many kilometers more?
Okay na, baba. Sige na, sige na.
Okay.
2 kilometers more?
Sana lang.
Ay, isa na lang. Sa to Emperor Falls. Kaya pa. Woo! Alright, nandito na kami. We're here at the second falls. It's called Falls of the Pool. Right over there. Beautiful. Wow. Woohoo! Amazing. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Beauty. Ang ganda. Grabe. Guys, amazing. Wow. Ganda. Yun, mga tungkod nila, mga hikers. Mga hikers.
Wala. May pen. Halika dito.
Grabe, ang ganda ng view. Nasa tuktok talaga kami ng ano, Canadian Rockies.